English learning journey.
English conversation, greetings and self-introduction.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Emily. And you?
I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Where are you from, Emily?
I'm from London. How about you, John?
I'm from New York.
That's interesting. How long have you been living here?
I just moved here a few weeks ago. I'm still trying to adjust. So, what do you do, Emily?
I work as a teacher. How about you, John?
I'm a software engineer.
That's cool. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. How about you?
I enjoy teaching. It's rewarding.
That's great to hear. Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little bit of French. How about you?
I speak Spanish and Mandarin.
Wow, that's impressive. How did you learn them?
I learned Spanish in high school and studied Mandarin in college.
That's amazing. I wish I could speak more languages.
It's never too late to learn. You can start anytime. It was nice meeting you, Emily.
Same to you, John. Hope to see you again soon.
Have a good day.
You too. By the way, what brings you to this area?
I'm actually here for a work assignment. My company has an office nearby.
Oh, that's interesting. What kind of work do you do?
I work for a tech company. We specialize in software development.
That's really cool. What type of software do you develop?
We develop software for businesses. We provide solutions that help them manage their operations more efficiently.
That's really useful. I'm sure many businesses could benefit from that kind of software.
Yes, absolutely. It's a constantly evolving field, so there's always something new to learn.
That's true. I've always been interested in technology, but I don't know much about it.
There's always room to learn. You can start with the basics and work your way up.
That's a good idea. I might take some classes or read some books to learn more about it.
That's a great start. Let me know if you need any recommendations.
Sure, thanks. So, how long are you planning to stay here?
I'll be here for about 6 months. How about you, Emily?
I'm actually a lifelong resident of London. I've lived here my whole life.
Wow, that's impressive. I've always admired people who are rooted in their hometowns.
Yeah, I love this city. There's always something new to discover. What do you think of this area?
I really like it so far. It's very different from New York, but I'm enjoying the change of pace.
That's good to hear. If you need any recommendations for places to go or things to see, just let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I'm still getting my bearings, so any recommendations would be helpful.
No problem. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking of exploring the area and seeing what it has to offer. How about you?
I'm planning on meeting up with some friends and checking out a new restaurant that just opened up.
That sounds like fun. Maybe I'll have to tag along.
You're more than welcome to join us. We'd love to have you.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I'll let you know if I can make it.
Sounds good. Well, I should probably get going. I have some errands to run before my class starts.
No problem. It was nice chatting with you, Emily.
Same to you, John. Have a good day.
You too, take care.
A few weeks later, John sees Emily at a coffee shop.
Hey, Emily. Fancy seeing you here.
Hey, Idan. Yeah, I come here pretty often. Do you want to grab a coffee together?
That sounds great, thanks. How's everything been going for you lately?
It's been pretty good, thanks for asking. How about you?
Same here, can't complain. Work's been keeping me busy, but I've been trying to make time for some hobbies and activities outside of work as well.
That's a good idea. What kind of hobbies do you have?
I like to play basketball and go hiking when I can. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love to read and write. I'm actually working on a novel right now.
That's really cool. What's it about?
It's a coming-of-age story set in the 1980s. I'm still in the early stages of writing it, but I'm excited about where it's going.
That sounds really interesting. Are you planning on getting it published?
That's the goal, yeah. It's definitely a long process, but I'm willing to put in the work.
I wish you the best of luck with it. So, have you been on any trips lately?
Yeah, actually I just got back from a trip to Japan. It was amazing.
Japan sounds incredible. What was your favorite part of the trip?
I love the food and the culture. And the scenery was absolutely beautiful. I definitely want to go back someday.
That sounds amazing. I've never been to Japan, but I've heard great things about it. So, have you been to any other countries?
Yeah, I've been to a few other countries in Asia and Europe. It's always great to experience new cultures and see different parts of the world.
I couldn't agree more. Traveling is one of my favorite things to do as well. So, what are your plans for the rest of the day?
Not too much, just going to do some writing and catch up on some reading. How about you?
I have a few errands to run, but other than that, nothing too exciting. Well, it was great seeing you again, Emily.
You too, John. Let's catch up again soon.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too.
Thank you for learning English with us. Don't forget to subscribe to English Hub channel. A few weeks later, John and Emily run into each other at a restaurant.
Hey Emily. How have you been?
Hi, John. I've been doing well. How about you?
I've been good, thanks for asking. I was actually just about to grab some lunch here. Do you want to join me?
Sure, that sounds great.
Awesome. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not too much, just busy with work and writing. I've been making some progress on my novel though, so that's been exciting.
That's great to hear. How's work been going?
It's been going well. We've been pretty busy lately, but I like the challenge.
That's good to hear. I've been pretty busy at work too. Speaking of work, have you heard about the new project that's coming up?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's a new software development project. I don't know too many details yet, but I heard that it's going to be a big one.
That sounds interesting. Are you going to be working on it?
Yeah, I am. I'm actually pretty excited about it. It's always great to have new challenges and opportunities.
Definitely. So, have you been up to anything else lately?
Not really, just trying to stay busy and productive. I've been doing some reading and trying to learn some new skills.
That's cool. What kind of skills have you been learning?
mainly coding and programming. I'm trying to get better at it so I can be more versatile at work.
That's great. I've been thinking about learning some new skills too. Maybe I'll take up a new language or something.
That's a great idea. What language are you thinking about learning?
I've been thinking about learning Japanese. I've always been interested in the culture, and I think it could be really useful for my travels.
That sounds like a great idea. Learning a new language can be a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, I agree. Well, it was great catching up with you again, John. We should do this more often.
I completely agree. Let's plan to get together again soon.
Sounds good to me. Take care.
You too, Emily. Before we go, I wanted to ask you about something. Have you heard of this new restaurant that just opened up downtown?
No, I haven't. What's it called?
It's called the Red Lantern. I heard that they have some amazing seafood dishes there.
Oh, I love seafood. Maybe we should check it out sometime.
That's a great idea. We should plan a dinner there next week.
Sure, that sounds good to me. How about Wednesday evening?
Wednesday works for me. I'll make a reservation for 7 p.m. Is that okay with you?
Sounds perfect. I'm looking forward to it already.
Me too. Oh, before I forget, have you seen the new Avengers movie yet?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It's amazing. You have to go see it. I'll go with you if you want.
That sounds great. Let's plan to go this weekend.
Sure, I'm free on Saturday afternoon. How about you?
Saturday works for me too. Let's meet at the theater at 2 p.m.
Sounds good. I'll see you then.
Great. Well, I should probably get going now. Thanks for catching up with me, John.
No problem, Emily. It was great seeing you again. Let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Take care.
You too, Emily. Have a good one.